Okay, doing a Google review video on this because I wish somebody had done it for me for a noise comparison. This is a regular wall trimmer and cats were terrified of it. Not the loudest, but definitely not quiet. In comparison, there you go. That's the high speed. And then the other thing is it came with a bigger tip that I took off, so it has options. I actually liked, they have a white version that looks like this, but it has two, I guess what I would call larger tips. This one for cats, definitely a winner, because with one hand, you know, if you're holding your cat, you know the deal. You can really kind of get in between the toes without having to have a second hand to push them out.
Looks like
That's better.